Here's how to install our OCAM Electric Side Steps for the Chevy Silverado. Lay out all the hardware and familiarize yourself with the kit. Each of the brackets are labeled for their respective position on the vehicle, such as left middle, left rear, left front. Note that the bracket with the motor should be installed in the middle with the arm facing outwards. For the front bracket, use a trim tool to remove these 3 grommets. Attach the bracket using 2 stick bolts with plastic retainer clips and use the included 13mm bolt with a spring and flat washer to secure the bottom mounting point. Loosely fit the bracket, then tighten all the bolts and nuts with a 13mm socket or wrench. For the middle bracket, remove these grommets, secure the bracket using 2 of the new bolts with their spring and flat washers, then use a stick bolt for the top left mounting hole. For the rear bracket, remove these grommets. The rear bracket only uses 1 stick bolt for the top left hole and 2 bolts with their washers. Remove the battery cover and undo the 13mm nut on the positive terminal. Connect the main power wire to the stud, then retighten the 13mm nut. Route the excess wire through a circular opening on the plastic cover. Use fish tape to run the wire through this grommet, which will exit into the driver's side footwell. Pull the excess wire through and secure the slack using zip ties. Remove the kick panel and sill cover assembly. Just note that the tabs for the kick panel may get stuck, so use a pick to gently press in on the 2 side tabs to release the clip. Then remove the seat rail cover. It's held in with clips and pops upwards. Undo these 4 7mm bolts and remove the plastic wire cover. Use this factory hole on this bracket to mount the control box just above the accelerator pedal. Behind the driver's side kick panel, locate the central wiring harness and identify the blue and white wires. These are the door signal wires and need to be soldered directly to the control box's sensor plug. Reuse this factory ground stud to connect the ground lead. Secure the slack using zip ties, but leave the motor wires free for now. On the driver's side, peel up the carpet and locate the rubber grommet. Use a knife to make a small cut and feed the motor power wire through it from the inside outwards. Underneath the vehicle, fish the wire out from the top and route it towards the driver's side motor. Secure the slack along existing cable runs, making sure it's free from any moving parts. Use silicone sealant to seal the cut grommet and reinstall the carpet. Run the motor wire up to the control box and cable manage the slack. For the passenger side, repeat the same process. Use fish tape to run the motor wire behind the dash and pull it through the other side and connect it to the control box. Hide the excess cable underneath the carpet and secure the slack using zip ties. Open and close the doors to ensure the motors are engaging, then refit the interior trim pieces. Attach the side steps with the included Allen head bolts and slide blocks. Make sure the step is centered within the body lines of the vehicle, then tighten using a 5mm hex bit. Use a 13mm socket to tighten the arms to the body brackets. Open and close the door to make sure everything functions and that the steps aren't contacting the body. If they are, use the included shims to space the arms away from the body brackets. And there you have it, your OCAM Electric Side Steps are installed.